Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The tutorial today is Foxes amigurumi crochet, and this yarn right here are acrylic yarns I will use today for Foxes amigurumi. And if you prefer another kind of yarns like cotton, you probably use those yarns well, but must bust on needle size 3mm. Okay, so now I will start make head and use this white color. Do 6 single crochet into magic link and then mark by another color right here as your beginning work round. Okay, and then in the second round you do 1 single crochet in next stitch and increase in next stitch. Repeat the same 3 times around. So and now in next round you do 1 single crochet in next 2 stitch, increase in next stitch, repeat the same 3 times around. So now round 4, 1 single crochet in next 3 stitch and increase in next stitch, repeat the same around. So now next round 5, right? So 1 single crochet in next 4 stitch and increase in next stitch, repeat the same around. Now round 6. So in this round you do 1 single crochet in next 2 stitch and then you do increase in next stitch, repeat the same 6 times. So next round 7, and round 8, do 1 single crochet in each stitch. Round 9, do a slip 12 stitch and single crochet in next 12 stitch. Okay, in this round 9, slip 12 stitch, and single crochet in next 12 stitch. And next round 10, I will change color to this color. Okay, so now in round 10, change to this color, orange color, and do single crochet in next 3 stitch, increase in next stitch, repeat the same 6 times. Round 11, do 1 single crochet in next 4 stitch and increase in next stitch, repeat the same 6 times. So now next row 12, right? So next row you do 1 single crochet in next 5 stitch and increase in next stitch. Repeat the same 6 times. So now next row 13, okay? From row 13 to row 18 you just do 1 single crochet in each stitch. Now I have 18 row done. In this row you just do stop pregesser, okay? Just stop pregesser this. For the eyes buttons, I will do attach in the last process. Eye buttons I use in these buttons right here. This size approximately 9 mm, okay? It's like this, or you can use as a bead like this. Alright. Now in round 19, in this round you do 1 single crochet in next 5 stitch and then decrease by 2 stitch together. Repeat the same 6 times. Round 20, do 1 single crochet in each stitch. Row 21, 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches and decrease by 2 stitches together. Repeat the same 6 times. So in this row I will do stop more this polyester, okay? So and next row you just do 1 single crochet in each stitch, okay? Now in row 23 you do 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches and decrease by 2 stitches together. Repeat the same 6 times. Row 24, 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches and decrease by 2 stitches together. Repeat the same 6 times. Now it's row 25, right? Row 25, 1 single crochet in next stitch and decrease by 2 stitches together. Repeat the same 6 times. So next round is the last round, 26. You just do decrease by 2 stitches together 6 times. Okay. So this is how look like finished head. It will look like this. For the eyes, I will use this kind of buttons as eyes. This kind of buttons like this. So dark brown color, what I have right here is also acrylic. I will do for ears, okay? And the first round you do 6 single crochet into a magic link and masked by another color as your beginning work round. And then in the second round you do single crochet in next stitch and increase in next stitch. Repeat the same 3 times around. In the second round, do a single crochet in each stitch. In next round, do 1 single crochet in next stitch. So next round, I will change color to main color. So in round 4, you change to main color, okay, and do 1 single crochet in next 2 stitch and increase in next stitch. Repeat the same around. Row 5, 1 single crochet in next 3 stitch, increase in next stitch. Repeat the same 3 times around. Next round, round 6, do 1 single crochet in next 4 stitch and increase in next stitch. Repeat the same 3 times around. So and now next round is round 7. From round 7 to round 9, you just do 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay. So then it will look like this. And next step, so I will use white color right here. Do embroidery on this place right here. Okay. So this is how look like finished ears. Make 2 pieces of this, and this is inner what I just embroidered by white color. Just make simple like this. Alright. And now next step I will make arms. For the arms I will start with dark color right here. Do 6 single crochet into magic link as a first row. So next round, do 1 single crochet in next stitch and increase in next stitch. Repeat the same 3 times around. Next round. Do 1 single crochet in next 2 stitch and increase in next stitch. Repeat the same around. Now next round, round 4. From round 4 to round 6, you do 1 single crochet in each stitch with dark brown color. Okay, and then you change color to main color. This is main color. Change color in round 7. From round 7 to round 30, you do also 1 single crochet in each stitch. Alright. So this finished arm what I have done like here. Now you can see from the dark brown color right here from the beginning round to round 6. Alright, you use in dark brown color, and then from round 7 to round 30 you change to main color. Alright, make 2 pieces of this. So now back to the part of head. Okay, when you have 2 pieces of ears done, you just press the ear in your favorite style. Maybe like this is also quite nice, or maybe in the normal way like this. okay, like this. But before you will sew them together, you must make sure by pins, okay? So it's maybe like this. Alright. So now let us make the next step.